unbelievable. Hey, what's up, guys? New haircut, Swipe Fano here, and welcome back to another episode of Unscheduled Maintenance. Today our plan is go check out some train tunnels, drive through them, record some music, record some cool sounds with my field recorder, get Mexican food, which I've actually already done, and yeah. Chug it. Always watch it move. Trying to get a shot of the cop, not you. Whatever, I'll keep it. Oh, always watching. All right, on our way. Emergency, dial 911. So I'm out here at a nearby park, and it has an old-fashioned merry-go-round and spinny swing, and I was gonna get myself on that as a shot, but then like right as I was going to, a family and their kids pulled up, so like kind of just trying to bite my time until then, because I don't want to be just a fucking, grown-ass man on a playground with some family around. Until then, like, a thought occurred to me. Has anyone here watched Marble Hornets? And they have, I forgot the name of the park. They have that park in it. This reminds me of that. Just this area. The rest of this is like, you leave this vicinity and it's all like Utah desert, right? But just like right here reminds me of that park. Like if I walk in there, I'm gonna get fucking abducted by the operator, Figured I'd just record that. Draw through that area. Looks like they did some sort of like controlled burn here. Guess I think it'd be controlled, Mighty fine day out here, guys. Just driving on what's supposedly part of the old Spanish Trail, apparently. I just saw the sign for it. We'll be heading towards the train tunnels here soon. Just take that in for a moment, man. Ain't she beautiful out here? We have officially hit dirt, passing by an abandoned mine right now. I'll have to do a separate video on that one someday. We're about to enter in this tunnel here. Damn, typically this is all fucking shitty looking, but like there's some actually like good art, partially at least. Anyways, about to hit this tunnel, this puddle. Woo! Aw, shit. Right, we're on to the historic route here. Got water all over my windshield. Seems that makes it better. Look at that. Gooseberry Road, no services. I'm here to change that. So we are coming up upon the first train tunnel now. I think this one, I'll just hold my phone and drive through it, and the next one I'll actually get a shot. So yeah, this is an actual train tunnel. Trains used to go through this. This was a railroad at one point. Out on the other side, we got some ice. Go real slow here. So I'm only doing that one-handed. So coming up on this next one, I'm gonna go set up my tripod, and I'll see you guys out on the other side. So I have come across something quite curious that I haven't seen before out here. I noticed driving by, hey, that isn't rock. It's like a wall of some type, and there's pipes sticking out of the ground. Now I have two theories on what this is, just at first glance. Around here, we have like old lime kilns. And there's a pretty big one around my town. But there's also a lot of smaller ones just scattered about. My second theory is there's a mine just short over that way, and it might be foundations for an old mill. And that one might be pretty likely, because that looks like where a rail would have run and like dumped stuff into. But like and there's like old buildings around that mine, or like collapsed ones at least. This is just a little far from it, but let's go check it out. Be careful for rattlers. So I mean, if it was a lime kiln, I'd kind of expect like a hole at the base here, so I don't think that's it, but like that's clearly like at least like some sort of foundations, and I think that's newer. It almost looks like poured concrete. Well, I don't know if it's concrete, but like that looks poured. Like the lime kilns that I've seen are not poured. They're like brick. So I think I'm gonna go up to the top of it. Maybe there's an adit or something up there, or like a collapsed one. I didn't see anything coming in. Yeah, that almost seems like tailings right there, almost. Typically tailings have a lot less plants growing out of them though. Huh. Let's see. I mean, it looks like there might be an adit there, possibly. I can't tell from here though. I'll walk up and check that out in a second. Let's make our way over though. It's definitely looser soil than like what's just naturally there. It's definitely not a lime kiln. I mean, I should have guessed from like the rebar or whatever sticking out. Can't tell. Is there anything there? I'll walk up there. I think this is a foundation to an old mill. Maybe it's just like some sort of erosion wall though too. That, I don't know, this seems like it very well could be tailings to me. Waste rock, you know? Good looking Jeep down there. Let's check out where that adit might be. I don't plan on going in anything today. I mean, there is like a big hole up there, and I think there was a fence around it. I was gonna drive up to it, but the trail got pretty rough, and I don't want to do that solo. I'd want someone out here. Can't tell. I think this is just natural, but guess I'll hike up to it. Wind's picking up today. Oh, dead bird. Oh yeah, there's not an adit there. Okay. Here's something cool I just noticed. You got a face in the rock right there. Huh. Hey guys, I'm out here at a location that my family owns. I did not film me driving to this one because I don't want people figuring out where this is at. The last location, someone was camping there. They didn't have their dogs on leashes. Owner was nowhere to be found, and the dogs started coming after me and barking, and I was not about to find out if they were friendly. Oh, they're not on leashes? Are you fuck? It's very windy out. Chapstick, have another late night talk, walk in the park again, get the grass tangled in knots. Drive 2,000 miles tonight. See the ocean under the stars. See dust cast in rays of light, cutting through the dark. I'll fall asleep beside you. The raindrops tap in cars. Stars swaying side by side. And slowly they drift up these moments. It's like they never happened. Spent time wasted. It's all just whiffs of nothing. It's all just whiffs of nothing. Everything is nothing. Does it even matter to you? I guess it shouldn't matter to you. That, yet again, is Chapstick. It's off my upcoming album. I wrote it in a alternate tuning. It's C, G, C, E, G, D. And yeah, a little bit of a botched performance there, but what can you do about it? It's raw, at least.